Hey everyone, Kevin from Robertson's Power and Sports. Man, I've been super excited to do this video for you guys to share this all new 2021 Can-Am MAVERICK Sport X XC. We've been waiting for this machine to come in. We had this build planned for a while, and to see it finally come to fruition, man, it came out awesome, as you can see. So again, 2021 MAVERICK Sport X XC 1000R, 100 horsepower with the smart lock, built with all kinds of genuine Can-Am accessories. This machine is awesome, and I'm going to tell you, it's super tempting not to just take this one home. I mean, look at it. So let's take a few minutes. We're going to walk around this machine, show you all the goodies that we added to it. And again, what an awesome machine. Super happy how it came out. And this one here, I'm sure, won't last long. So let's go ahead and take a walk around and show you what we did to this machine. All right, now let's talk about what makes this machine awesome, and that's the accessories that we've added to it, okay? We're gonna start right here in the front with the Can-Am bumper. Now stock, this machine comes with these two tubes right here in the front for protection. We've added this bumper right here, gives you a little bit more protection, but we've also added the corner protectors that you can see that extend this bumper up here to the corner to give you more protection up front, and just gives it one heck of a look, okay? The other thing up here in the front that we've added is a Can-Am winch. Almost a must-have for around here where we ride. You never know what kind of situations you're gonna get yourself into, or we all have that one friend, right, that has to hit every single mud hole, never prepared to get out of it. Well, hey, listen, with this machine, you're here to the rescue, and you're a good buddy. Don't wanna leave him hanging, right? So that takes care of the front end. Can-Am hard-coated power flip windshield. Love this windshield. We sell a ton of these things. These give you so many options as far as riding in the warm weather. This thing power flips up, and I'll show you how it works here in a little bit. Or in the fall, winter time, if you're going to use this, keep this thing closed, and this thing will open to infinite positions. And I'll show you, like I said, I'll show you how that works. Moving around to the side here, the elephant in the room, if you will, these tires, and I believe that these tires really made this machine. These are a 32-10-14 Maxxis Carnivore tire. One nice thing with this tire is it's an 8-ply tire. Super, super durable, but not only is it super durable, this tire is light, and that's why a lot of people like this tire, so you don't sacrifice the performance of the machine. Really like this tire, sell a bunch of them. Great for the terrain right around here in Maine where we're located. Again, super, super good tire. We stock these, and you can get these in variable sizes. But again, can't say enough about this tire, and it just really, really makes this machine stand out. Moving along, side mirrors. One thing I really like about these side mirrors, other than giving you visibility down both sides of the machine, is that they're not solid mounted. So what I mean by that is if you're brushed up against a branch, the thing just folds in, forward and backward, okay? So again, you're not gonna break this off just by brushing up against something, where some other mirrors, they're like a solid mounted and don't want to rip it off and do any damage. This here, or if you're trying to get in and out of a trailer, anywhere that's a tight space, just pull it right in, not a problem. Next thing that we've added here is a set of rock sliders. Again, you get into some rough terrain, rocky terrain, you want to be able to protect the side of your machine so it doesn't get all banged up, and these rock sliders do the job, and they just give it another really, really good look. On this machine with the 32s, no suspension lift in this whatsoever. This has got the Fox QS3 stock shocks in it. We measured 18.5 inches of ground clearance right here to the bottom of the rock slider. This machine is going to go over some stuff, and I can't wait to see it out on the trail. Talking about the suspension a little bit, the Fox QS3 shocks right here in the back. I'm going to show you this. This makes adjusting your suspension super, super easy, okay? You know, suspensions can be confusing for some people. We talk about, rebound, we talk about compression, and, counting clicks, this, that, whatever. The Fox QS3s make adjusting your suspension super easy for the compression. You get settings 1 through 3, okay? 1 being soft, 3 being firm. So really, it's a matter of seconds. Come out here, turn this knob, get your suspension adjusted to the way you want, and you're off and running, okay? So again, super easy, great design on this Maverick XXC. Coming along the back, we've added what they call a hard tonneau cover. And I really, really like this accessory. It's super easy to put on, and it really gives you that much more storage space, okay? 2 straps, just pull it up. It does have a hydraulic assist on it, and it has a super nice gasket on the inside. Now, I've seen many machines come through the shop, you know, that they've been out riding in really dusty conditions. We open this up and their contents in here is pretty clean, surprisingly. So again, an awesome accessory to add, gives you more storage, and it's super functional as far as trying to help keep some of that dust and dirt out of there. Another must-have, when you put a windshield on a machine and a roof, as this machine has, is the Can-Am rear window net. What'll happen is if you don't have something like this, many of us have had pickup trucks with the back window that opens. You open that back window and you get that swirling effect of the air wanting to push all the debris that's in the bed back into the cab. Well, with a net like this, this helps stop that dust want to continue to swirl back in through the machine. So keep in mind, anytime you do any type of a windshield or roof, this goes hand in hand. You definitely want to put a back net on the machine, okay? So that wraps up the exterior. Now we can talk about some of the interior accessories. All right, so a little while ago, we talked about the power flip windshield and how I really like this accessory. Can-Am, again, knocked it out of the park with this one. I'm gonna show you how it works. So basically, all we have right here in the center is a toggle switch, and this is one touch up, one touch down, or we can stop it anywhere in between. I'm gonna show you how that works. So just push the toggle switch up. The windshield will automatically go up to its wide open position, and it'll stop on itself. Stop all by itself right there, okay? You wanna bring it back down, again, put the toggle switch to the down position, one touch, windshield comes down and it'll seal itself up and stop. Just like that. Okay, now we wanna bring this windshield open, but we wanna stop it just a little bit. We don't wanna get a ton of wind today because it's a little bit cool out. Open that up, and then rock the toggle switch back, stops anywhere you want it to stop. Like I said, infinite positions are where this window will open or close, whatever you want. We're gonna leave it in the fully open position, okay? One of the other things that we added here, because we all know we like to take a bunch of stuff with us when it comes to going out riding, is storage. We need more storage. So in addition to the hard tonneau cover that we put in the back, we've added these door bags. They offer a lot of storage. They come on both the driver and passenger side. So that's what we've added here. Also, talking about storage, you do have a glove box right here on the passenger side to put some goodies in, and then a little bit smaller one right here in front of the cluster for the driver. So one other thing that we've added here on the inside is a BRP complete audio system. It's all done via Bluetooth, works super nice, sounds really, really good. It's a 4-speaker system. We got 2 speakers in the back, 2 speakers in the front, and it's all controlled right here, down on the dash with the audio. Your audio controls are all right here. All right, guys, that wraps it up for the accessories on the interior of this machine. So that's a wrap on the 2021 Can-Am Maverick XXC that we built here at Robertson's Power and Sports. We want to take a minute to say thank you for your continued support. Thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe to make sure you guys continue to see our videos that are coming out. That's a big help for us, okay? Don't forget to visit us online at robertsonspower.com or give us a call at 207-324-5502. We're located in Sanford, Maine. Thanks again, guys, and hope everyone has a great day. Thank you.